Good day students. In chapter number 10 we will learn about the profit and loss. First of all we need to understand the basic terms related to this chapter. So first is cost price. The amount for which an article is bought is called its cost price. Selling price is the amount for which an article is sold, that is called selling price. Profit or gain. When the selling price is greater than cost price, then there is gain, and gain can be find out by subtracting the cost price from the selling price. And if the selling price is less than the cost price, then there is loss, and loss can be find out by subtracting the selling price from the cost price. And the important fact is that the gain or loss always depends upon the cost price. Now coming to exercise 10A, the first question is we have to find out the gain or loss percent when the cost price and selling price is given to us. It is the first part of the first question. The cost price and the selling price is given to us, and we have to find out the gain or loss percent. Now we can see that the selling price is greater than the cost price. It means it is a case of gain. So gain can be find out by subtracting the cost price from the selling price. 713 minus 620. Therefore the gain is equals to of rupees 93, and the formula of gain percentage is gain multiplied by 100 upon cost price. Now gain is equals to 93 multiplied by 100 upon 620. After cancellation of all these numbers, we will get our answer, that is equals to 15%. The second part of this question is cost price is rupees 675, selling price is rupees 630. Now you can see that the cost price is more than the selling price, then it is a case of loss, and loss can be find out by subtracting the selling price from the cost price. That is equals to 675 minus 630, that is equals to 45. The loss is of rupees 45. Now we are supposed to find out the loss percentage, and its formula is loss multiplied by 100 upon the cost price. The loss is equals to 45 multiplied by 100 upon 675. And after the cancellation of these numbers, we will get our answer, that is equals to 6.66%. Coming to question number 2, we have to find out the selling price when the cost percentage with the gain or loss percentage is given to us. So the formula to find the selling price when we have gain percentage is equals to 100 plus gain percentage upon 100 multiplied by the cost price. So 100 plus gain percentage is equals to 4 upon 100 multiplied by the cost price, that is equals to 1650 rupees. Now 100 plus 4 is equals to 104 upon 100 multiplied by 1650, and after the cancellation of these numbers you will get your answer that is equals to 1716. And if we are given the loss percentage, the formula will be like this: 100 minus, the formula will be equals to 100 minus loss percentage upon 100 multiplied by cost price. If we are given the loss percentage, it will be like this: 100 minus loss percentage upon 100 multiplied by cost price. Now coming to question number 3, that is equals to we are given the selling price and gain or loss percentage, and we have to find the cost price. So to find the cost price, when we are given the selling price with the gain or loss percentage, the formula is 100 upon 100 plus gain percentage if there is gain, multiplied by the selling price, and if there is loss, the formula will be 100 upon 100 minus loss percentage multiplied by the selling price. So for this part we are given the gain percentage, and thus we will put the values 100 upon 100 plus the gain percentage, that is equals to 12, multiplied by the selling price, that is equals to 1596. 100 upon 100 plus 12 is equals to 112 multiplied by 1596, and after the cancellation of these numbers you will get your answer, that is equals to 1425. Now coming to question number 4. The statement is Manjeet bought an iron safe for rupees 12,160 rupees, and he paid rupees 340 for its transportation. Then he sold it for rupees 12,875 rupees, and we have to find out the gain percentage. First of all, we will find out the total cost of the iron safe, that is equals to purchase cost plus the transportation charges, that is equals to 12,160 plus 340 is equals to 12,500. Now the cost price of the iron safe is equals to rupees 12,500, and the selling price of this iron safe is equals to rupees 12,875. Now you can see that the selling price is more than the cost price. It means there is a gain, and gain can be found out by subtracting the cost price from the selling price, and the gain is of rupees 375, and gain percentage is gain multiplied by 100 upon the cost price, that is equals to 375 multiplied by 100 upon 12,500, and after the cancellation of all these numbers we will get the gain percentage, that is equals to 3%.